Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get cards ready for PSA grading. First, gather your essential supplies, including a clean microfiber cloth, cotton gloves, penny sleeves, and semi-rigid card holders. Always work in a clean, well-lit area to easily spot any imperfections. Carefully inspect each card for any dust, smudges, or damage before you begin the cleaning process. Handling cards by their edges is crucial to avoid adding new fingerprints. After your initial inspection, it is time to clean your cards. Using a clean, dry microfiber cloth, gently wipe the card's surface to remove any dust or light smudges. Be very careful not to apply too much pressure, which could cause scratching. Immediately after cleaning, slide each card into a fresh penny sleeve. Then, place the sleeved card into a semi-rigid card holder, ensuring a snug fit for maximum protection. Now, let's focus on the administrative side of your submission. Carefully fill out the PSA submission form, ensuring all details like card name, year, and set are accurate. It is vital to match each of your prepared cards to its specific line item on the form. Once completed, arrange your physical cards in the exact same order as they appear on your submission sheet. This meticulous organization helps streamline the grading process for PSA. The final step is securely packaging and shipping your valuable cards. Place your semi-rigid card holders, with cards inside, into a sturdy cardboard box. Use ample packing material, such as bubble wrap or packing peanuts, to ensure the cards cannot shift during transit. Seal the box completely with strong packing tape, covering all seams. Finally, select a reputable shipping service that offers both tracking and insurance for your peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.